Hello everyone. In this video I am going to solve one more question on first and follow that has been asked in GATE. Just a moment. That has been asked in GATE 2012. Okay. So question was like that, they have given one table. This table is known as, that means this table has been constructed using LN1 parsing technique. Okay, this table has been constructed using LN1 parsing technique, and this table had been given you there. Okay, and they had mentioned here E1, E2, E3, three entries. Look at here, E1, E2 and E3, three entries here, and they ask you which of following option are right: A or right, B or right, C or right, or D or right. So you don't need to bother about what is E1, what is E2, what is E3. They are actually entries that are made in LL1 parsing table. They haven't asked you about E1, E2 and E3. They just ask you which of following option is right, whether A is right, B or right, C is right, or D is right. Okay, so let's check by eliminating option which one is right or wrong. So first of all, we will start with checking first of A. Okay, we will start with first of A. So you can see here first of A equal first of S from this production rule. Okay, first of A equal first of S. And what is first of S? First of S equal first of this term union this term and this term. So first of S would be union of this term including these two terms. If you solve this one, you would get answer first of A equal first of S equal AB and epsilon. Okay, because this is A first terminal, this A is a first, this B is first terminal, and epsilon is included directly in first of any variable if it is producing it. So if you carefully watch, this option is right, okay. Now what about first of B? So how to calculate first of B? Look at here. From here, first of B equal first of S. Okay, so first of B equal first of S, and we have already calculated first of S, AB and epsilon. So AB and epsilon, that means first of A equal first of B equal A comma B comma epsilon. This option is, as of now, this entire option is right. Now check whether follow of A contains A or B. So follow of A, how to calculate follow of A? Look at here, this is A and this is B. So B will be included in follow of A because B is directly following variable A. Look at here, this is A, this is small a. So small a would be included, this small a would be included in follow of A because they are A and B directly following variable A. So look at here, follow of A would be A comma B. Okay, so this option is right. Okay, now check for follow of B. Okay, so from this point, let me erase it first of all. From this production rule, as producing BAAB. Okay, from here follow of B would be follow of S. Okay, I am using rule number 2. I have already discussed this rule in my earlier videos that I have made on how to calculate follow of variables. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video so that you can easily understand how I am applying this rule. I am using rule number 2. By rule number 2, follow of B would be follow of S. Okay, so from here follow of B would be follow of S. Now you know dollar is always included in follow of S because S is start symbol of grammar. and union follow of A. Why follow of A? By using rule number 2. Okay, so we have already calculated follow of A comma B, this A comma B. So if you solve this one, you would get answer A comma B comma dollar. That means we have already checked this this part is right, this part is right, this part is right. So you don't need to check whether B or C or D are right or not. So option A is correct. Okay, it was very easy question. If you have practiced enough for calculating follow and first of variable, you can easily solve such kind of question within 2 to 3 minutes. I am taking more time because I am explaining in detail, that's why it is taking more time. Otherwise you can solve any first and follow question in 2 or 3 minutes, hardly 2 and 3 minutes. Please watch my video on how to calculate first and follow, thereafter try to solve some questions. Okay, only then you can understand how I am using directly those rules here. Thank you everyone.